Hi, welcome to yet another tutorial about Joomla Component Builder. My name is Llewellyn van der Merwe. I would like to show you the new Pro package, updating path. Those of you that may have watched the updating path, the new update path for the community package, the Pro Builder package works very similar, but it actually includes having a token. So let me demonstrate that to you. If you log into your account on git.vdm.dev and you go to the Joomla area, if you are not already added to the Pro member team, then just send me an email or give me a day or so. Usually what happens, we have a system that will detect whether we have you listed as a Pro member, and if it does, it will add you to the Pro member team, and that will automatically give you access to all the Pro member plugins and extensions. So whenever you log in as a Pro member, all those plugins that are already available to the Pro members, you'll be able to see the source code and everything of it. Now, besides the fact that we have all these smart features, there are quite a few of them, right? Look at all these. And to download each of these every time, and you're not sure what updated and what did not update, and yeah, so that's a pain. And we decided to solve that by basically building an automated package builder, which you can look up here. It's also made public to all of you. If you want to know more about it, be on the lookout. I'll be making a tutorial in the near future about it. But basically, it is what's building this package. And it's built automatically so that it always will have the latest versions and the latest updates in it. And when it updates, it would actually send a notice of this update to a channel on Telegram. Maybe some of you do not use Telegram, which in that case is not a problem. You can also view this channel in a browser on a just with the following URL. That is t.me/s/JCB_updates. And as you'll see, that there will be an update list here, regularly being updated with all the updates as they arrive. This is also done automatically, so it doesn't look that interesting, but at least you could see what is the latest being done on JCB, and the updates will here be visible for you, while you don't need to belong to the actual channel to see it, which I think is quite convenient. Anyway, being back at the package, to start the installation, or rather start using this new way of installing and updating your JCB Pro component, you would be able to download either tag that you'd like. The latest one, of course, be best choice, but for this demonstration we would like to start with an earlier version and then show you the update path. So downloading the older version and install that on a website, and then show you how to make use of the automated update option. Or not, it's not fully automated, but you update in your website easily as before. Okay, so let's head over to the Joomla website. So I am now installing the 3.0.3 version. If I head over to its page, you'll see that it says I should get a token and that it is on 3.0.3. and yeah, so you have your component installed. If you go to the manage area and you search for component, like that, you'd see here's all the plugins, and there's a new plugin. In fact, there's a number of plugins here that's not yet public to the rest of the community. of which if you need more, just go check out the tutorials made for them. But this one here is the one we're interested right now. I'm going to activate all of these plugins, but this plugin is what needs to be activated to actually be able to get the installation automatically or without any other complications directly. That needs to be activated. Another step that also is required is in JCB we have a new field. So if we go to options in the global area of your JCB installation, there's a new field called VDM access token, and you need to get this access token from our git.vdm.dev Git repository. If you click on this link and you're logged in like I am here, I'm logged into that git.vdm.dev repository. If you click on that link while being logged in, it'll take you directly to the page where you can generate a token. So I'm going to just type in here test for our purpose, and so you basically use this access token here at the top. Click generate, and it'll give you a key which you just copy, go over to JCB, paste it in here, and you should just save that and be ready to start getting updates as they are made available. Now I would like to demonstrate how it will behave if this key is not there, and then how it will behave when it is there. So I've seen before, if it's not there, it'll be actually asking you to get it, which will take you to the same place. If you click on that link, it takes you to the same place as you would from the other link. Now, if we go to the updates area, and let's say we find updates, wait, let's clear the cache and find update. We see that it found the update, that there is in fact an update. We click on updating, it will in fact give us this. If the plugin is on, then it will give us this information as well, basically showing you that the global option tab, if you click on it, it will open that and take you to the same place we were earlier. And so if we then add our token, and we just go quickly back to this web to the application, it will actually show us that our update, that our installation is out of date, and it'll also give us a download link if you still just want to download it directly. It'll add your token in the link so you can get it quite quickly. Otherwise, you could go to your updates area, select this, and just update. And that will do the same kind of updating as in the past with JCB, quite convenient. And your extension is updated. So that is the new package distribution updating path for the Pro member Joomla component builder. So the Pro member component builder has this extra power feature, which the community version does not have. The power feature is really giving you the option to create very PHP kind of functionality in JCB. So you can have a class, an abstract class, a final class, an interface, a trait, and basically let all of the power of JCB do the hard work for you in organizing and basically bringing your library together in a package with the autoloader and everything of that necessary to make it work. I'm going to be making tutorials about this and in more depth, going through every one of those features and how it works by actually demonstrating a real implementation which already is running in this specific Pro member component of JCB. So if we go out here and we go to the Pro Member component and libraries, we'll see there is now a JCB Powers folder, and inside of that folder there is a vdm.gitty folder, and inside that folder there's a source folder, and here is our little library, and has an abstract Gitty object, an abstract package, a Gitty class, and also another class within a folder. So this all was done with the new powers in Joomla Component Builder, and I will still make tutorials about how to do that in your own projects using that very basically implementation as a demonstration. So be on the lookout, new tutorial on the powers area coming up soon. And yeah, thank you for watching. That is now making use of the new package distribution, easy installation and updating of your Joomla Component Builder instance. Until next time, take care.